Hello everyone, welcome back to the gold technical analysis session with Mick again. So yesterday we had an important report again with the FOMC stuff been going on and the interest rates and things like that for the US market, so it's surely affected our golds. Alright, so however, yesterday we had a buying plan, if you remember, which is the QM buy, and what happened was that the price bounced from our QM buy really strongly. So I'll give you a little recap on that and we will make a new plan together. So let's go straight to the charts. So here we go. Let me talk you through what happened yesterday. So yesterday, if you remember, we have our QM buy here and our entry point that I said would be at 61.8 to 78.6, alright, and that's roughly around 1796.95 to 1787, right? And look at this candlestick. So if you place a pending order there, it would be executed and the price should back up really high. Okay, so let me see. That's around 1,800 points. Okay, so if you enter at this point, well done, and congratulations on your profits as well. So now, as the price should back up, and as I said yesterday, we can't really aim for a new high, even though it is a very pretty strong uptrend, alright, because our multi-wave has now finished. So you do really need to take your profit really quickly, and that's what happened. So the price could not really make a higher high than the ones before, alright, so exactly as what we predicted. So let me remove everything. That plan is done. You can't use this plan again because that's been used. Okay, so let's go straight to the daily time frame and let's see what we got to do today. Okay, so for today the price is still being held above this supports that we've got, and to be honest, we have this 1790, which is the significant level. That's the price is now still being used, this supports. Okay, it might not be clear in the daily time frame. Let me drop down, okay, to another one. But what have we got from the daily time frame is that yesterday's candlestick is closed as a bearish one. Okay, so no surprise that I told you. Okay, today the price could continue to drop back down. However, we're having our significant level at 1790. Alright, do we have the demand zone or the supply zone that is pretty significant? Let me see. Okay, so we do have this demand zone. So this one is the zone for the daily time frame. However, this zone is pretty weak at the moment because yesterday has been used once. Alright, so today if the price coming back down to use this zone again, it is not fresh anymore, so I would say this zone is pretty weak. Okay, what about the supply zone for the daily time frame? Is it still there? Nope, not quite clear zone. So this one you could be considered as a supply zone, but I would say it is not really beautiful. Okay, so that's for the daily time frame that we've got. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So in the 4 hours time frame, we do have our demand zone here that I talked about it yesterday as well. So can we go for a buy here? Yes, we can. However, I would suggest you to wait for the confirming signals. Alright, so this is the zone in the 4 hours time frame, so I would drop down to the 15 minutes time frame for the confirming. Alright, so Is it confirmed now? Nope. Okay, it still have pretty good chance to coming back down here. So the picture perfect that we are looking for is that the price coming back down with the RSI not following the low. Okay, so things like that, I would call it a confirming signals for going a buy. Okay, so you need this picture to be, to have a beautiful plans for buying at this demand zone. I could give you the rough number here, which is around 1788. Okay, it was 1787 point something. I'll just add a little bit up for the spread to 1782. Okay, not too bad. The demand zone is not too big for us. It is still in the range that is okay for trading. Okay, so that's the buying plan. Do we have the selling plan though? So you've got the picture for buying and for the confirming as well. What about the selling plan? I would say this, is it a supply zone? Let me check the daily time frame. No, so we don't really have a clear supply zone here. Let me check the 1 hour time frame. For the 1 hour time frame, we don't have a clear supply zone as well, but we do have this demand zone, okay, which is right before the 4 hour time frame that we've been waiting. So for this demand zone of the 1 hour time frame, you will need the confirming signals in the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so this one is going to be around 1789 to 1786, so around the same plan. Okay, 1789 to 1786. So you can include two of the zones together, so it's going to be between 1789 to 1782. All right, same picture that we need to see is the confirming signals, which is the classic divergence that we are looking for. Okay, for the selling plan, not clear supply zone anywhere up there. Do we have the resistance though? Yeah, we do. So our resistance, the clearest one is this. Okay, so the price used it as a support for twice and it came back down. So if the price bounced back up, 1804 would be a very interesting point to trade sell, but that's just the resistance though. There's no zone there, so pretty risky. You need to know about the confirming signals, either the classic divergence or the low twice for selling. All right, so that's the plan for today. I hope it's easy to understand and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much. And if you haven't joined me in the BUBI project, please do so. I'll leave the registration link down below. I'll see you there. Bye.